This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Oculus Quest 3. First, let's cover a soft reset, which is perfect for minor glitches or performance hiccups. This won't erase any of your data. Simply press and hold the power button, located on the right side of your headset, for about 10 seconds until it powers off. Then, press it again to turn your Quest 3 back on. It's a quick and easy first step to troubleshoot common issues. Now, let's discuss a factory reset, a more drastic step that will wipe all data from your Quest 3. This means all your games, apps, and settings will be gone, so it's crucial to prepare. First, make sure your headset has at least 50% battery life. Also, ensure your Meta account is linked to the mobile app. This will help you easily re-download your purchased content later. Preparation is key here. To perform a factory reset directly from your Quest 3 headset, first, power it completely off. Once it's off, simultaneously press and hold both the power button and the volume down button. Keep holding them until you see the boot screen appear. From there, use the volume buttons to scroll down and highlight Factory Reset, then press the power button to confirm your choice. This will begin the reset process. Alternatively, you can perform a factory reset using the Meta Quest mobile app on your smartphone. First, open the app and ensure your Quest 3 headset is connected and visible. Next, navigate to the Devices section and select your Quest 3. From there, tap on Headset Settings, then Advanced Settings, and you'll find the Factory Reset option. Confirm your decision, and the app will remotely wipe your headset. Both methods achieve the same result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.